In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite participants before Zoom meetings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to schedule a meeting, gather the right details, and share a clean, professional invitation with your participants. Start on your Zoom dashboard and click on Schedule. This takes you to the scheduling page where you set the foundation for your meeting. Choose the meeting date and start time and set how long the meeting will last. It helps to double-check your time zone to avoid confusion for anyone joining from different regions. You can also give your meeting a clear title so invitees instantly know what it's about. Think of this page as your meeting blueprint. Everything you set here is what your participants will see in their invitation. Next, look for the Invitees field. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Type them in carefully, separating each address as your interface suggests. If you prefer to share the invitation link yourself later, you can skip entering emails at this stage. Either approach works. Entering emails now can send invitations automatically, while skipping it gives you more control over where and how you share the details. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Save. Saving locks in your selections and creates the meeting on your account. If you made a typo or need to adjust the time, don't worry. You can always come back and edit the meeting after saving. Now head to the Meetings tab. This is where you'll find your newly scheduled meeting listed among your upcoming events. Locate the meeting you just created, then click the three dots icon beside it. This is the More menu. From there, select Copy Invitation. Zoom will compile everything your participants need into a single, neatly formatted block of text. It typically includes the meeting topic, date and time, time zone, the join link, the meeting ID, and the passcode if one is required. Finally, send this invitation to the people you want to invite. Paste it into an email, a team chat, or any communication tool your group uses. Before sending, it's a good idea to scan the details one more time to ensure the date, time, and link look correct. And that's it. You scheduled the meeting, captured the invite text, and shared it with participants, all in a few simple steps. This workflow keeps everything clear for your attendees and saves you time the next time you need to invite people before a Zoom meeting.